So nobody really knows the real fact of how the man died. I mean, he's a friend of ours. We're all suffering. And then they want to come ask us all these questions. Well, you don't have that fact. You don't have that fact. So again, it says no one is ignorant of a thing. No one who is ignorant of a thing is bound to give information. Well, you don't know how he died. So why are you going to start testifying to a police officer or a sheriff? Shut your mouth. You don't need to tell them. Let them do their investigation. They're just trying to find somebody to pin it on. Everyone is bound to know that concerning which he gives information. Well, if you're giving out information, when we go to that word, which unfortunately is not tonight, but when we make sure we do that next week, when you understand what information is, you understand that now you're responsible for it. That's why the Supreme Court tells us in Miranda versus Arizona, shut your mouth. You have no duty to talk to these people. Don't say anything. You don't need to. Within reason, we can discuss that. Ignorance of law, that's the next one. Blindness, devoid of knowledge of the law, have no idea of the specifics of the law. I like that. Lack of knowledge of legal requirements, lack of learning of legal requirements, no knowledge of legal constraints, not schooled in the law. Wow, that's crazy. It said legal law. Pay attention to how it's going from one to another. Pay attention when they use the word natural. Person isn't natural. You really have to pick apart the words that are being used here to see the picture of what they're trying to tell you.